Well, sure, I'm gonna recap this old Commodore 64. I didn't even know I had it, but I found it laying around in its original box. I thought I sold it, but I guess you can find stuff. Three screws. Oh damn it, it's this model. I don't like these keyboard models. But on a complete other topic, I think I'm gonna buy a Commodore 64 keyboard to PC converter. And yes, they are available. It's one of those things you didn't know you needed. Yeah. And this heat shield here, I usually will just throw it away, since I don't think it's necessary. This was a new model. Haven't seen that before. It's visible. Still gonna recap it though. At least these C models isn't like all the bread bin. The screws are different lengths. And as I said before, this thing here I usually just throw away, since I only think it isolates the heat. Yeah, sure. There isn't so many capacitor in this model. Let's see what we need. 1000 microfarad, 2 ohm, 1000 and 470. What more do we have? 100 microfarads. We're only 100. 22. That's a 22 to a 10. 10 microfarad. And a 22 microfarad. As you see, the voltage, you can't use any lower voltages than the ones that are in here, but the higher are perfectly good as long as the capacitor actually fits in the case. this is a 470 microfarad, that's also 470, but this one is rated for 63 volts, that's only for 25 volts. And again, no problems using it, just make sure that it will fit in the case. I kind of lost my desoldering pump. Oh, there it is. And when I do this, I just add a few bit of solder. As any other desoldering ever done. I prefer to do them one at a time. And as you see, I didn't desolder that one quite really good. Then I just heat up the solder joint again on the back side. And then just pull it out and then clean it up with the soldering pump again. And of course, because I'm doing this in a video, I screw up. Hey. And there you go, clean holes. That's important so that the solder will reflow good. That's 1000 microfarads. And make sure to get the polarity right. That's the positive and that's negative. The positive goes there. These things have a tendency to blow up if you collect them the wrong way around. And as you see here, this thing didn't quite reflow as good as it should have. The flow in the solder. Then I'll just do like this from the other side. You can do this at least at those axial capacitors. These ones a bit harder. Then you just have to hope you still did it right the first time. Now let's go to 10 farad. Microfarad, of course. 10 farads would be extremely big. And at these small one I used to usually heat it up and pull one leg out and then the other one. Done. And then clean it up, of course. I don't know if I'll show all of them, but we'll see. Maybe I'll edit that out. And when you have these capacitors with a long leg and a short leg, you can always read on them. The short one is the negative, the long one is always the positive. And a good way to remember that is if you snip it off and put it across, it forms a plus. Positive. Well, I guess I don't show any more than that. Oh. And sure, now it's all done and recapped. All capacitors are replaced with the equivalent new ones. And we hope I didn't get any polarities wrong. And I guess I'll start mounting it back together then. Seems like this thing we're missing a few screws. Or I put something back together wrong. Oh well, it'll be okay. And that'll be... Damn it! And off the keyboard goes again. let's go on to cleaning this thing off. Since the logo is missing, I'm not worried about what I use. And T-Röd, I don't know what it's called. Alcohol, some kind of alcohol solution works good.